Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci video for Friday, June the 10th. This is David, and looking at the S&P 500 this evening and the Voodoo Lines roadmap and what that tells us about what to expect next from the index as it sold off, pretty significantly both yesterday and today, right? So in our Voodoo Lines, these fire lines are our most important level. The tree lines are our second most important level. And then snow lines, where we have an example here at 39.16 and 38.14, those are our third most important level. You can see those are the levels that held up this market back here on May 22nd when we did start to get a bounce to recover the Voodoo fire line. And because that is the most important level, which side of it the index decides to stay on is going to give us a lot of information. So look, if we needed to retest this fire line or revisit it to revisit the decision about what side to stay on or not, bouncing from a smaller degree level like we did here, like we did back off screen when we revisited it back here in mid-May, right? Snowline is a good place to bounce from, realizing that we have to break these levels to keep heading to the downside. But we gave up that 40.83 fire line decisively here yesterday, and that sets our sights on 36.48. Use the round number 36.50 nearby if you prefer. But that sets our sights on that level. Now, obviously, we'll want to see how the market interacts with 39.17 and 38.14, the snow lines in between. Now, look, in some ways that's obvious, right? Between this 40.83 level and the 36.48 level, you can pick any two lines and sit here and say, well, we have to get below those in order to keep going lower. And that would be true. But the reason we choose these particular levels is they keep coming into play, and they are useful in gauging progress between more significant levels. Came into play back here at the snow line that we bounced from before. And you can see how we will sometimes chop around this snow line here before deciding, as we did today, chop around it before we closed lower. So I'm targeting 36.48, watching these levels on the way, and we may bounce from some of them. So we will dig more into the possible paths that we might take interacting with these levels on the way down towards a possible target at 36.48 in the premium video. But to wrap things up for now, this is my target here or lower if we can find resistance below it. And if we do, we will talk about additional lower targets here at a subsequent update. Until then, as always, good trading. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.